everyone! Welcome to my English Kids Library. Today I'm gonna read you a book about a caterpillar who turned into a butterfly in the end of this book. Okay, let's read this adorable story. The Crunching Munching Catepillar by Sheridan Kane and Jack Tickle. A very noisy picture book. For my family, SC for Jim and Rochelle, JT, the message from the authors. Can you hear? This is the caterpillar munching the leaf. Caterpillar was always hungry. For weeks he crunched and munched his way through the fresh, juicy leaves of the blackberry bush. One day, Caterpillar was about to crunch into another leaf when... Crunch, munch. Bumblebee landed beside him. Bzzz. "Whoa," said Caterpillar. "How did you get here?" "Simple," said Bumblebee. "I can fly. I have wings, look." "Oh, I'd like some of those," said Caterpillar. Bumblebee flew up into the air and buzzed busily from flower to flower. I'd love to fly like that," said Caterpillar. "Well, you can't," said Bumblebee. "I've got wings and you've got legs. Your legs are for walking." "I guess so," sighed Caterpillar. Bumblebee flew off to the next bush. Watching Bumblebee fly had made Caterpillar very hungry, so he crunched and he munched until it was time for bed. Caterpillar woke to the sound of twittering. Birds swooped and soared in the early morning light. Caterpillar was just about to start his breakfast when Sparrow landed beside him. "I'd love to fly high in the air like that," said Caterpillar. "Well, you can't," said Sparrow. "You need to be as light as the dandelion clock that floats on the breeze." "I guess so," said Caterpillar glumly. Caterpillar carried on crunching, munching all day until the light began to dim. He wrapped a leaf around himself to keep warm. He was just about to go to sleep when... Look, it's so sad. Butterfly landed gracefully beside him. "Oh, I wish I could fly like you," sighed Caterpillar. "But I'm too fat and I have legs instead of wings." Butterfly smiled a secret, knowing smile. Who knows? Perhaps one day you will fly, light as a feather, like me, he said. "But now, little Caterpillar, you should go to sleep. You look very tired." Butterfly was right. Caterpillar suddenly felt very sleepy. As Butterfly flew off into the night sky, he fell into a deep, deep sleep. Caterpillar slept all through the winter, and his sleep was filled with dreams. He dreamed he had wings and was soaring in the blue sky above the tall trees. He dreamed he was a dandelion clock drifting towards the sun. He dreamed he was as light as a feather floating on the breeze. When Caterpillar woke up, he felt the warmth of the spring sun. He was stuffed from his long sleep, but he didn't feel very hungry. He stretched and stretched, and a breeze lifted him into the air. He was no longer short and plump. He had wings, great, big, wonderful butterfly wings. "Whoa!" said young butterfly. "I'm flying. I'm really flying." Whee! The end. Thanks for watching and listening, and have a very nice day, today and always. See you next time. Bye bye.